Dear friends, welcome to the English Sage. Public speaking is an art, and we have to master the dynamics of public speaking. Volume, intonation, rate, pause, pronunciation are vital to present a very good speech. What is volume? Volume is how loud you speak. You have to make yourself heard. You have to emphasize certain words, phrases, passages. You have to adjust the volume of your tone, volume of your voice to the mood of the passage. And we have to remember that volume can change the meaning of what you're speaking. So, volume is one of the dynamics of public speaking. Intonation is also very important. Intonation is how your tone changes. You have to change the pitch to emphasize words. Alternate pitch to avoid sounding dull or dreary. Use pitch to express emotions. Some examples of intonation, or I can say one example of intonation in different sentences. I saw the book. Here, I is emphasized, I is stressed, informing that instead of somebody else, I saw the book. I saw the book. Here it means I saw the book but I did not take it. I saw the book. Here I'm stressing the book. That means instead of something else, I saw this book alone. So intonation is very important. Pitch is as equally important as intonation. A scale of sound from low to high is called pitch. See what I mean? See what I mean? So, the pitch tells you whether it's a simple sentence or it's a question. We change volume, we change the emphasis of words to make them more important. So pitch is as equally important as intonation. Rate or pause. Rate or pause is how fast you speak. We usually tend to speak quickly or fast when we are nervous. We have to speak with proper pace. Vary the pace to make the speech more lively. Use pauses to add luster and meaning. So, the rate at which you speak is very important. You should not speak fast because that tells the audience that you are nervous, and if you speak fast, the audience will find it hard to understand what you're speaking. So, we have to speak with proper pace. We have to vary the pace to make the speech more lively, and we have to use pauses in between the speech to add luster and meaning. Pronunciation is also very important. How clearly you speak is very important, is vital. Practice unfamiliar words until you're comfortable to pronounce them. We have to remember that good presentation equal to clear pronunciation. And last but not least, when performing, never apologize for a mistake. Just proceed with your speech. Don't go back, don't apologize, just continue your speech. Most of the time, the audience will not realize that you have committed a mistake. So, pronunciation is also very important in the dynamics of public speaking. So, dear friends, Volume, intonation, rate, pause, and pronunciation are the dynamics of public speaking. You can become a dynamic public speaker if you master these dynamics. I encourage you to subscribe to the English Sage and click on the bell icon for regular updates. Have a good day. Thank you.